Okay everyone, welcome to the new video on Scratch tutorials. In this video, we are going to understand what are X and Y coordinates. So there are four main directions in the Scratch. So if you want to move in the right direction, you will move in positive x-axis. If you want to move to the left direction, you will move in minus x-axis. If you want to go up, so you will go in positive y, and if you want to go down, you can go in a negative y. So you can take a screenshot of this and we will see this how this works in Scratch too. So let's go to the Scratch. So this is the character we have. So right now it's not moving with the help of anything. So what I will do is I'll go to this events bar. I'll drag this over here. And if I want to move this in up direction, so I'll choose the up arrow key and then I will move towards the move, and there I will find out change in Y. Yeah. So remember, when you have to move up, you change in Y by positive Y. So if you are putting a positive Y or nothing, that means it's a positive. So when I click on now, when I click on the up arrow sign, it is moving up. Okay. Similarly, if I want to go down, again I will go to this events. I drag this block and move it to down arrow key, and again I'll go to the emotion. Even I can duplicate this, so I'll move it here. Now I want to go down, so I will change the y by negative. See, because we have learned this, that now I want to go down, I'll press the down arrow and it is moving down. All right. Now, if I want to move it in the positive x-axis, so what I will do is I'll again go to the event. I'll choose here, and if I want to go to this right arrow, and if we want to go to the right arrow, we will move x in positive x direction. So there is an option of change x by this. So if I want to move it to the right direction, now I'm moving it. So I'm letting the last option. If I want to go down, I want to go to the left option, what I will do. So I'll give you a hint. Just you have to put the minus over here to do that. And in this way, you will be going up, down, left and right in all directions. Okay, so this will be it from this video. See you in the next one.